I didn't get my phone out in time. There were 3 huge birds flying by. Then I hear a cow mooing. Then there was a little bird flying by. Sorry I didn't have them all on video. Let's see if we can find this mooing cow. More gray skies. Still no rain, but that's okay. Squirrel going by. Car coming, so I'm going to put my phone towards the street. Still no sight of that cow that was mooing. Oh, I see something here. I wonder if it was this one. Let's see. Just trying to get some trees and nature. Oh, hello, cow. Was that you mooing? Hi. How are you? Hi. How are you, honey? Hi. You're a beautiful one. Hi. You're not going to speak? I heard you before speaking. Oh, did you cough at me? Oh, I'm sorry. Did I annoy you? I'm sorry. I hope I didn't annoy you. Hi, you're beautiful. You're a cutie pie. Hi. There's a bird flying by. It's in the tree there somewhere now. Hi, you're cute. How are you? Don't hide your little face. You're a beautiful one. Hi. You gonna come out and moo? Hi. Come on over. You wanna moo? You're not gonna moo again, are you? Oh, that's okay. You're a good cow. Bye. Gray skies. I hear it, but I don't see it. At least I got the squirrel going across the road. I really wish I would have gotten those 3 big birds. I don't know what kind they were. They were squirrel going by the street again. Another one. No squirrel sightings today. I missed the birds, but at least this is wide open space. I don't know if somebody bought this or not. Tree down. Sounds like a crow if I got my birds right. Oh, there it is. Where is it? Oh, you're following me. Hi. Hello, cow. Hi. Did you hear the bird too? Hi. There's a bird. I think I missed it. It flew too quick. These birds fly too quick. I keep missing them. Hey there, cowgirl. Hi. You want to speak? You gonna speak, honey? There you go. I'm sorry I don't understand cow. You're beautiful. You're not camera shy. You gonna speak again? You want to speak again? Are you spitting out your nostrils again? My goodness, you got good lungs. You speak loud. You're a good cow. Well, I gotta finish my walk. There's a bird up on the wire. Not sure if you guys are getting it. Bye, cow. Have a good day. Bye. Thanks for speaking. Be nice if we could get some more squirrel sightings. Or some more birds. Trying to get some of the clouds. I was just getting the clouds for those that might be watching that live in basement apartments with little or no windows. I can't excuse me, see what's going on till they get outside. One of the big birds flew up in there. It's in there somewhere. It's been cloudy the last couple of days, but no actual rain. There's a dog. This property usually has cows out. It's okay, doggy. It's okay. I'm not gonna come near your house. There goes that cow again. I'm not coming to your house. Go home. Go home. Go home. Go home. I'm going to end this video shortly. Oh my goodness. There she is, the cow. She's near the tree. Incoming call, but I'm not going to answer it. I want to finish my video first. Really wish those big birds would come back. Maybe I'll see them on the way back home. See, is there anything else in here? Bird came out of it. I'm not sure if it got caught on the video or not. I hear something, but I don't see anything. See something back there, a bird maybe. Oh yeah, it's a bird. Not sure if it's picking up on video or not. Look at this huge branch. There's a bird up there in that tree. Oh my goodness, that cow's not happy. I'm going to end this video in about a minute. There's not much more to see down there. That's been in other videos of mine. Funny logs make great firewood. Wood. Well, this would be great firewood, these logs. For those that go camping or in the cabin. They need it for their wood stoves to keep the place warm and or cook on. Car coming. I'll probably keep this going until I get to the corner. Well, my videos seem long lately anyway, but that's okay. Haven't walked this far in a while, but that's okay. A little extra walk can hurt, because when it starts raining, I'll be stuck in the house. At least I'll have my crocheting and knitting to do. Sorry, I'm breathing a little heavy. Can you stand here a minute and focus in on all this? All these trees on the right. They go past the corner in both directions. And here's where I came from. I'm going to head back this way. Palm trees, for those that like palm trees. I thought they were only in Hawaii, but Florida has them too. There's more palm trees coming up. Either I'm moving too quick or moving too slow. But that's okay. For those that like pine trees, get a better view. Trees as far as the eye could see. I've never been down there, so I don't know how far the trees go down. Yes, to the right. That's 16 down there, it's the main road. I thought this place just recently sold. I don't know why it's not focusing in. That's 12th Avenue. And that's to the left. Trees as far as the eye could see. For anybody that's interested, that's 12th Avenue and northeast 171st Street. I don't know whose house that is or why I'm even advertising it. It's northeast 12th Avenue. And that's where we came from. There's a log. This video is just about 23 minutes. I'm gonna keep going until it's 25. If it does start to rain, I hope I make it home. I have a sweatshirt on, but I didn't bring a bag, a Ziploc bag for my phone. I should make it a habit of keeping one in my sweatshirt pocket. Gonna let everybody enjoy a few seconds of silence before I end the video.